A 3-inch blanket of snow just hit the East Coast, Pennsylvania included. People are brushing off cars, creeping down the roads, and calling it a day. And if you ride bikes, you're definitely thinking, yeah, no chance whatsoever. But maybe I'm stupid, maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm both, or maybe I'm keeping up a tradition where at the first snowfall of every year, I take my bike out and ride in the snow. If you're not riding, you're hiding. And yeah, I'm definitely just stupid because I'm doing this on supermoto wheels. Oh my gosh, look at these icicles. That's so satisfying. Sumo's in the snow, baby! Oh, this is already dumb. Connor's gonna fall today. I don't advise this, but still fun. Woo. You guys know we had to keep to the tradition here. And apologies in advance, I did change my mic, but my damn cat ripped my brand new mic setup. So back to the old one for now.
Connor's gonna fall today.
First one out of the way, I guess. Love to see it. Well, that started just about as everyone would have expected. Hopefully we learned something there, but probably not. Oh, it is so snowy. I have the worst footwear on for this possible. If you guys are curious, you can ride your bike in the snow. I made a whole video on it last video, so check that out. Oh my God, it's so snowy. Brake rotors are a little wet. Is it dry enough to stoppy? Oh yeah, it is. Guys, we do have the Rizzler coming to the channel soon. I'm super excited to review that, but like, how am I expected to do these reviews, man, when it is this freaking snowy and cold? You know, watching snow videos I think is a lot more fun than doing them. It's fun, we're riding, don't get me wrong, but hear this wind. It is brick. Look at this little path they paved out for us. Oh, my hands are cold. It's a shame I don't have any exhaust to put them on. Oh my God, it's so cold. I feel like if I hand drag right now, I'm just gonna break the tips of my fingers off from frostbite. Guys, I've been thinking about getting a new gas bike recently. Let me know your thoughts down below. A little touring bike, maybe. We can still circle though. No matter how much we don't ride, we still maintain the ability to circle. Oh fuck. Everything is just so squirrely. Oh, another e-biker, let's go. What's up? What's up? It goes like 55. It's an electric bike. It's an electric pit bike.
Is it a 2DO?
No, it's an RTR. Way better than a 2DO. Yeah, ETM RTR.
So bad.
Nah, dude, you're on 2 wheels. It's a good start, you know? I'm a YouTuber, yeah.
What's your username?
It's ConnorG Media. There you go, that's me.
Oh my God.
Yeah, dude. What's your name?
Patrana?
Patrana? Connor, nice to meet you, my dude. Are you about to go down this?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You got to be careful in the snow, though.
Do you think the guts you will like?
It'll help for wheelies, yeah, because it locks you into the seat more. Whew, it is so damn cold that my GoPro froze. We lost some of our recording, but it's all good. There we go. There we go. Nobody likes this weather, not even me brakes. There's this kid again. What's up? I don't have enough grip, I don't think, to go back on those trails. Woo! How old do you think I am?
17.
No, I'm older than you probably think. 27 now. I'm an old man. I'm unk, as you guys would call it, right? But I'm still doing the same things you are. Oh, it's banned? Oh. Oh, really? Yeah, I know they were making new laws and whatnot, but...
I don't really care about the law.
Savage. Practice makes perfect.
What?
Yeah, you just hit the front brakes and you lean forward, but you got to balance it because you don't want to give it too much. A Talaria? Yeah, I used to have a Talaria actually. The Triple X. Yeah, I got rid of it. Good hanging with y'all. See y'all. Whoa, careful. All right, guys. They're gonna go 2 up to get back. That's great. That's what friendship's about. One of them's got a bike, the other one doesn't. So they just 2 up it. Oh yeah. Nice and snowy and icy. Ew, lots of salt over here. Gotta wipe this puppy down when I get home. Alrighty, well, I think that's enough cold weather for me today. I got an Eagles game to go watch. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Your annual installment of Connor's being an idiot in the snow. Might not be over yet, pal. But hope you guys enjoyed my pain and my silliness. But I will see you guys very, very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.